Are you someone who has tried everything and still their manifestation is not coming? Their desire is not coming. You have tried everything right. But let me tell you today, this is not your fault. There are hidden blocks which is blocking your manifestation from coming into your life. Today, I'll be revealing 7 such blocks and how to remove these blocks from your life today itself. So stay tuned till the end of this video so that you can recognize those blocks and remove it today. So guys, hello, my name is Rupa Joshi and I'm your life transformation coach. Namaste and welcome to Evolve with Rupa. So let's dive deeper into this manifestation blocks, which is blocking your manifestation from coming and you leading that beautiful life that you have always desired. So there are certain blocks which has always blocked the manifestation from coming. You have done everything like visualization, affirmations and whatnot. But somehow due to these blocks, it is not me in your life because you're not aware of those blocks. So today we'll be bringing awareness to those blocks so that we can tackle it smoothly. So the first block that is blocking your manifestation from coming into your life is subconscious programming from childhood. So suppose you're trying to manifest money, but in your childhood you had a subconscious programming like money is root of all evil, money doesn't grow on trees, it's not easy to earn money, money is very hard. If you have heard all that while you were a child, then you have a programming for that and you will notice that yes, money is indeed tough because that is what your program says. So it is very simple. Now that you are aware of such program which is having a limiting belief and that is blocking your manifestation in your life, that is flow of money, flow of abundance, then it's very simple. You can turn this belief around. That is, first write down what are such limiting beliefs in your life. Afterwards, write the opposite statement of this limiting beliefs and create a set of affirmations and repeat them daily at least for next 30 days. This is going to reprogram your subconscious mind to a belief system that is a new belief which is going to help you manifest your desire. Now, which is that second limiting belief? The second limiting belief which is blocking your desire is nothing but lack of self-worth. So there are times, when you yourself feel that you are not worthy of your desire. This is not a knowing pattern, it's an unknowing pattern. You might say to me, but Rupa, I'm trying to manifest. That means I feel that I am desired. Yes, on a conscious level, you feel that you are worthy, but at certain subconscious level, you feel that you do not deserve this desire. And that is the main root cause of many, many people who are in this manifestation journey. So it is very simple. To remove this desire, remove this self-worth issue, you just have to do the mirror work, and obviously the affirmations are also going to help. In the mirror work, just simply say to yourself, I love you and I deserve everything I desire. Once you do that, it is going to help you reprogram your mind, your subconscious mind, and then it is going to work for you to bring your manifestation into your life. The next block, which is blocking you from receiving your manifestation, is emotional resistance. Just notice around your manifestation desire, maybe it's money, it's a life matter or anything, do you have certain lower emotions like guilt, shame, fear or something like that? Then that is your block. Now what is this emotional resistance? What is energy? Energy, it's an energy in motion. That is what emotion stands for, right? Now you have an energy which is not working for you to attract that manifestation because you have this lower emotions like guilt, fear, shame in there. It's very simple. You can note down and write a letter to your inner being about this limiting belief and this lower emotions that you're facing regarding your manifestation, and tell their inner being to heal yourself. You can pray to the God, or maybe you can do the Ho'oponopono prayer. It's a very simple prayer. It's simple, 4 words. I'm sorry, please forgive me, I thank you and I love you. In case you want me to create a video for the same, do let me know in the comment section. I'll be doing that for the same. So just say this prayer and try to remove those emotional resistance block that you are facing in your life. Now the fourth block, which is blocking your manifestation, your desire from coming into your life, is nothing but attachment to outcome. Now many of us have a very idea that my manifestation should come in this manner, in this way, in this timeline, and we are so attached to the outcome. So I'll give an example. Certain people, they want money to come into their life, but they have a very restricted belief that okay, money will come only from my job when I get promotion. In that case, you will see the person is not getting promotion, neither is the money coming into their life. They are blocking both the things. Now, it is not your job how that manifestation is supposed to come. You need to release all that attachments from your life. You need to remove those ideas that this is how exactly it will come. This is the timeline that it should follow. No, universe has no timeline. It is never in hurry, and it has more ways to give you your manifestation in more path of least resistance and in a more fun manner. And it has obviously, it can see beyond what you can see. It can see where it can protect you, and it can see where it can deliver your manifestation in the easiest possible manner where you also enjoy. So guys, instead of attaching yourself to any outcome that this is how my manifestation will be coming, please do not do that. Just release it and surrender it. That's the only way you can do it. Obviously, you can visualize that you have received your manifestation, but please do not attach the outcome like, oh, I want to receive in this manner and this person will come, then this person will give me this. No, then you are in a waiting game which is going to make you wait for it. So remove this block, and that you can do only by changing your thinking process. That's the only solution. Just see if in your manifestation journey, if this is something where you are lacking. Okay, so let's move forward to the next block. The next block is nothing but your environment still reflecting the old beliefs, the old identity. So now that you are trying to manifest something that you desire, you are shifting into a new identity, but your environment has not received the memo. In that case, your environment will be reflecting the same old beliefs, same old patterns. Suppose you want to change your job, but I will not advise immediately to change your job. No, you in the current job, try to change the frequency. It's as simple as that. Escaping is not the solution. How do you do it? Simple. Start giving gratitude to the place which your environment. Start seeing the positive aspect of that particular environment, and that is how you shift frequency. The reason why I'm asking you not to escape the old job is that when you escape from an old job to a new job, at least for first 2 months, you will enjoy it. But then you will see the similar patterns repeating again and again. Why? Because your vibrational pattern is still the same. And it's going to attract the same situations via new people. It's as simple as that, right? So this is one of the blocks which is blocking from your manifestation. Just see if this is also the criteria where it is happening. You can do something new. You can break old patterns, go to somewhere else, try to just changing your frequency. Another thing that is blocking is that you have an inconsistent vibrational frequency. This is another block which you need to see. So one day when you wake up, you are very happy, you're very aligned, your day goes fantastic. But someday certain situation happens, and that day your entire frequency is wobbly. Then that is not going to happen. In that case, you are sending mixed signals to universe, and universe is not understanding whether to deliver it to you or not. So you need to remove all of those vibrational frequency. What you can do in this case, if you are having such wobbly frequency, one day you are happy, another day you're not, then you need to start your day with a morning routine. Include meditation. Try to center yourself up and start your day on a positive note. This is going to help you a lot, and this is going to keep your vibrational alignment and give universe a message that you are ready to receive. And that's when universe will deliver your manifestation. So guys, let's move on to our last blockage, which is blocking your desire from entering your life. It's very simple, but yes, many people face this blockage. And this blockage is you are trying way too hard. Yes. Now you must be saying, Rupa, like we have to put an effort to get a manifestation. Yes, I'm not saying that you should not do the action, but it's more of like, are your actions taken from an inspired state of consciousness, or is it a desperate action? So this is the major blockage for everyone. Even for me, this was a major blockage. So when I was trying to get my promotion, it was like I wanted it back in 2021, but I was still not getting it because I was desperately trying to do anything and everything. I did interviews, I started asking people for help, I prepared presentations, and I did whatnot, but still the promotion eluded me. Whenever I used to go to my manager, ask, the reply would be saying, so at the moment we do not have vacancy for the promotion that you want. So that's when I got very frustrated. Like you guys, I was blocking my own manifestation by trying to force it a lot and doing desperate actions instead of inspired action. And that is why it was not coming. The minute I decided that I do not want the promotion and I have nothing to do with it, because I was so frustrated in the end, I just gave up on it. And guess what? In that case, I gave up on the resistance also and the forcing part also. And things started working out in my favor, and I received a promotion. It was like being served to me on a platter. It was as simple as that. Exactly. Manifestation process, people believe that we just have to put in action, 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 action. But that's not the scenario. You need to first get aligned and change your state of consciousness. And from that change of state of consciousness, you will be inspired to do actions. And those actions you have to follow. Yes, while changing your state of consciousness, the action that you perform is required. But after that, you don't need to force it. Like every day, I need to do this, I need to do that. If you're trying to lose weight and you decide to manifest it, or you have done vision board, you have done your affirmation and everything, and in the morning you go to gym, in the afternoon you go to yoga studio, in the evening you go to dance, and then you go for a run or a walk, right? You will be exhausted and it is not sustainable. You are dieting the entire day. This is a desperate action. This is not going to help. What you need to do is that maybe if you feel more enjoy, you feel like in dancing you enjoy a lot, or maybe going out for a walk in a park is more enjoyable, then do that. And keep your affirmations, visualizations, and do it daily on daily basis. Do mirror work on daily basis for your weight loss. And do not force anything. Do not diet. If you can't diet, it's okay. Eat healthy and eat mindfully. Contact some nutritionist or a dietitian to give you a proper diet plan, instead of going on a crash diet, which on longer terms you will not be able to sustain, and then your manifestation will not come. Obviously, why? Because you are forcing it, you are chasing it. Manifestation is an art of allowing, right? It's not art of chasing. So do not force your manifestation, just let it allow, be in the receiving mode, and you will see it will immediately come. So I hope you guys had received this information in form of 7 blocks, which was blocking your manifestation. If you feel that today you saw that exactly this was the block, it's just kind of blocking my manifestation, do let me know in the comment section. And to release that blocks, just type in "I release all my blocks" in the comment section. If you feel this video will help your friends and family members, to share across. And yes, I have an upcoming webinar where I'll dive deeper and give you 3 secrets on how to lead to your dream life. And this webinar is called Dream Life Blueprint. So do join that if you feel called forward to it, if your soul resonates with it. Here you can do one-on-one connection with me, and we go in deeper rather than the YouTube videos. So if you do want to join that, I'll leave the link in the description. Feel free to join it, and I would love to see you there. And yes guys, drop in a like to this video if you feel that this video has helped you a lot, and do feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Bye.